Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ben Tucker with musclecarcentral. We're working on that 67 Camaro, and we've got some big news, a big update. This car here is going to be the featured vehicle in the ARMO booth at the SEMA Show 2025. So you see where it's at now. What we're going to do is throw out a couple teasers here and there, but we're going to really have an unveiling. So you're going to have to show up at that SEMA Show ARMO booth. You're going to love it. But doing this, you know, we already talked about the motor. We talked about the Holley transmission, B&M. We've talked about the new Relics power windows, the rain gear, hidden wiper system. We've got a lot more stuff coming though. So you're really gonna have to check back to this channel. But doing all this, man, we've learned a lot. We made some friends. OER did so great with the glass. I don't know if you look inside here. This console here, it's awesome. It looks factory. But Dakota Digital gave us their RTX gauges. We've got them installed. We've got our shift work shifter installed. This car is coming along. But now, to get this car done and have it ready for the SEMA Show, we need some reinforcements. And that's exactly what we did. We called our buddies over at Estes. Jimmy Estes has got a crew. That's what they do for a living. They're gonna help us put some of the remainder parts here. It's a lot of stuff to get these cars done. But you remember, we sell all that stuff and you can do it. But when you have a deadline, you might need a friend to help you get it done. So today we're gonna pile up what we have. We're gonna have a professional come in and really help us get this car ready to represent ARMO, SEMA, and all the companies that has helped us along the way. ACC, they gave us the carpet in there. It's the Essex mass packing. It's luxurious. You're gonna love it. We've got B&M, you know, you've seen the transmission. We've got us a torque converter, trans, flywheel. Those guys are great. We have an I Did It steering column. I Did It, you guys know of them. Best USA made columns out there, fantastic. Distinctive Industries gave us those touring 2 seats, you know, headliner, door panels, package tray. They got us an interior kit. We've got new Relics, power windows, and we did the upgrade, the new crank. It looks like it's got cranks on there. You push down, up, you've seen it. Steel rubber, USA made weather stripping. It's gonna keep this car sealed. When you shut it, it's gonna make a thud. And another thought is it's wrapped with Dynamat, front to rear. Great insulation. Rain gear, hidden wiper system, top notch. Wiring a car, man. American Auto Wire. I know you saw Owen do a little video talking about wire. That is that we use a classic update kit, front to rear, bumper to bumper. We have this thing wired up, ready to rock. Custom auto sound. You gotta, plug stuff into those wires and you're gonna be able to rock out. Killer sound system, front and rear speakers, kick panels, great head unit, antenna, it's got a little microphone. I mean, thing is cool. Willwood brakes. I mean, what kind of brakes are you gonna put on your car? Of course you're gonna put Willwood. Front and rear, we got front 6 pistons, 4 pistons in the rear. This car will stop great. We've got Holley. I mean, Holley's front and rear. So when you do an LS swap, you need to contact Holley or us to supply you with all the stuff they do. The Terminator Max kit, the motor mounts, the Blackheart exhaust kit. When it comes to LS swapping, Holley is the #1 go-to and we're proud to offer their products. G-Force cross members. I don't know if you saw my video. They make the best USA made cross members for any kind of late model, overdrive, original. We've got one in here. It's gonna be great. And every car needs a little bling. This car is going to be blinged out with some billet from Eddie Motorsports. We're not going to quite show you that, maybe until you come to that unveiling, but Eddie Motorsports gave us a complete package for this car. It's going to be cool. You're going to have to wait and see on that one. I know you saw the billet specialty wheels on here. Those guys make some top-notch, one-offs if you want, but these billet specialty wheels, when we got a match and something to go with it, you're going to have to see it at the unveil. It's real cool. But really, thank you to all of our sponsors. Thank you to Jerry, Dean, Austin, everybody that's been here at our shop building this. It's time to get it ready for the SEMA Show. Stay tuned to our channel. Look for little sneak peeks here. We'll throw little treasures in. But come to the SEMA Show, the ARMO booth at 2025. Remember, hit that link below. Give us a like.
Yeah.